Welcome back to R for Economics, and this time we're going to be talking about measuring a couple of things in our variables, either the variable names or any kind of characteristic that we want. So let's bring in our database. There's our database nchars. We can get the number of rows just by doing the n rows, and that's 32. The number of columns is 11. This makes sense because this matches with what our data in our environment window says. We want to get get row names are, and now we've got all the row names. So these were all these row names right here. So now we've got the row names. We could actually just select the first one. Oh, look, we've got Mazda RX-4. Or we can go to the RX-4 wagon. Much handier, and we can fit more things in. Next, we've got our length, the length of R. And we can see that it's 32, and the length of R1, because it's one element. So it's actually saying this is a single entity. Okay, so length will tell you, it does something similar to n row and giving you rows, but this does it for the number of elements inside of row names. Okay, our thing R. We can see this 1 to 32, so 32 makes sense, and then just selecting the first one makes sense. Now, what if we said, well, we want to know how many characters it is? Well, number of characters is 9. We can count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the space, 7, 8, 9. So it'll count the number of spaces we have in whichever one we want. And if we add on space wagon, we're going to add another 4, which is 13. And if we wanted to do all of them, we can get the number of characters in all of our rows. And that's it, and we'll see you in the next video.